Today's story name is Pip's Colorful Adventure. Pip loved to explore. One sunny morning, she skipped outside, ready for a new adventure. What will I find today? She wondered. First, she spotted something bright and cheerful. Look, she giggled. A big red apple. She put the red apple in her little basket. Then she saw something else peeking out from the tall grass. Oh, lovely, she exclaimed. A sunny yellow flower. Pip carefully picked the yellow flower, placed it next to the red apple. As she walked on, she looked up at the sky. Wow, she whispered. The sky is so big and blue. She wished she could put the blue sky in her basket too. Next, she saw something hopping in the bushes. Hello, little friend, she chirped. A tiny green frog. The green frog hopped away and Pip continued her walk. Soon she found a soft, fluffy cloud that had fallen from the sky. It's so soft and white, she cooed. She put the soft white cloud in her basket. Then she saw something sparkling near a puddle. What's that? She wondered. A shiny purple stone. Pip carefully picked up the purple stone and added it to her collection. Her basket was getting full of wonderful colors. Red, yellow, blue, green, white and purple. She sat down under a big brown tree to rest. My basket is full of colors, she said happily. Red, yellow, blue, green, white and purple. Pip loved her colorful adventure. Every day was a chance to find new colors and new wonders. What colors will you find today? Thanks for listening with us, friends, today. Did you like today's story?
Yes, Mom.
Amazing. So, see you next time.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye, friends.